Underfloor heating. We asked you lot what you thought, and it turns out you either love it or you hate it. But what if I told you there's another method that nobody talks about? Here's the lowdown. There are two types of systems: electric, which is quick to heat but costs a pretty penny to run, and wet, which has lower running costs but takes donkey's years to warm. These systems have traditionally been buried and screed under the floor, making it a whole lot of work to install and brings its own set of issues to the table. This is where the retrofit overfloor systems come in. Intrigued to learn more about them, we visited the Wunda showroom to have a look for ourselves and chat with the fab family-run team that came up with the design. So here's what we've learned about Wunda's rapid response system. It's water-based, so cheap to run, but it sits on top of any solid flooring foundation instead of within a screed, which means it only takes 30 minutes to heat up and cool down, and the different zones can be quickly controlled with a smart app, so you can have the room at the temperature you want it when you want it. It runs at temperatures lower than the radiator systems, making it a front runner for efficiency and can even be put under most flooring types. The system comes in easy install boards, which is perfect for budget-conscious DIYers like us, so we've decided to put it to the test and share the journey of our install with you, while giving honest reviews on what we think. We're learning as we go, so let us know your underfloor heating tips and tricks in the comments below, and stay tuned to see how we get on with our most exciting DIY project yet.